Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. So let's start. Today we are gonna practice on a very popular topic, Microsoft Excel. It is nowadays widely used in business and very helpful for solving problems and keeping a database. Here I have opened an MS Excel sheet with some mathematics problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are given. Here you can't notice that multiplication isn't fully visible. At this situation we are gonna click on the top left box and double click on the end of column A. Then you can't notice that all the text will be fully visible. So let's start with the formulas portion with addition first. Before starting, always keep this in mind that you should add is equal to sign before every formula. I have given the formulas at this side. So to add 23 and 43 we will use the formula is equal to. We have to select the cell which we wish to be added and click on that cell. Its name will appear during the formula. Here I have given the formulas. So for addition we will use the plus sign. Thus our formula will be kind of this. And after typing the formula, click on is equal to sign again and the formula will be applied and the result will appear in front of you. We will do the same for rest of the arithmetics. So for subtraction we will first type equals sign and then click on the cell which we will be subtracting the number from, and then for the subtraction we have to use the minus sign. So we will type the minus sign and then select the next value and click on equals button again. And the result will appear on your computer screen. Next we have to solve the multiplication, which is also very easy. First we will type the equals sign and then select our first number and then type the multiplication sign which is asterisk and then select the second number and click on equals button again and you will get the result of it. The last we have the most easy problem, which is division. So for solving division we will type the first number and then the division sign which is slash and then we have to click the second number which will be our dividend, and last we will simply hit the equals sign and get the result on our screen. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and comment to my channel. See you next time.